Assalamu alaikum. We will learn how to make this bracelet, and the materials we will need for this will be blue beads, pull beads, white beads, 6 mm or 4 mm.
Small pearls of 2 mm, lobster chain, 2 jumping head pins, thread and 2 needles. Let's start, and if you are new to the channel, then you must subscribe to the channel and also like the video.
We will take 100 cm long thread. I will divide it in half and double it, and I am using it to make a video, but the third of the nylon is more beautiful than what it is. Let's start the bracelet. The lobster has a hole in it. If we cross the thread, it is always cooked. If we add it to the jumper, etc., then it gets damaged later and the jumper separates. In this way, we will tie a knot, fix it with the help of tape, add a needle to the ends of both threads. We will take the right side needle and add 3 pearl white small beads to it. Then we will take the left side needle and add 3 pearls to it as well. After that, we will add a big white pearl and pass it through both the threads. Then add 4 white pearl beads to the right side needle. By making 3 beads on the side, we will pass the thread from the 4th bead with the help of a needle. In the opposite needle, we will add a blue 4 pearl bead and bring it to the end of the thread. And then in the same way, after making 3 beads on the side, we will pass the thread from the 4th one with the help of a needle. In the same needle, we will add another blue bead and take it to the end of the thread and pass the other thread through the bead with the help of the needle. First, we want to make a blue heart, so we will add more blue pearls to the same thread and a pearl to the other thread. And we will take these pearls to the end of the thread, and then we will pass the thread which has a pearl through one of the 2 pearls. During this whole process, we will complete the bracelet and finally teach you how to add chain and lobster to it.